Whether you're stranded in bad conditions without communications or supplies, or you're caught off guard by a disaster, natural or man-made, emergencies can be overwhelming, and they pose a serious risk. The first 48 to 72 hours in an emergency are critical to your survival. This is the average time that you could be completely on your own. An emergency can also turn into a survival situation in a heartbeat. When they do, a positive attitude, common sense, and the will to live will get you through it. But having the essential supplies needed for those first 72 hours will make it a whole lot easier. Having the essentials is the simplest one thing that you can do to prepare. Shelter, water, fire, food, first aid, some simple tools. Having these buys you and your loved ones precious time. So, a grab bag with the essential supplies is a no-brainer. A kit you hope you never need to use. But if I need multiple kits for multiple family members' vehicles, then it has to be small so it won't get left behind, and it can't break the bank. The 2-person Elite Survival Kit from Weathervane Survival Supplies has all the essentials in a small, light pack. It has extra room in it, so you can fit some of your own condition-specific gear, and great organization. It comes with enough food and water for 2 people for those first 72 hours, with water purification tablets as well. FEMA recommended amounts, 5-year shelf life. The food bars are actually pretty darn tasty as well. Then of course, you've got protection from the elements with 2 ponchos, sleeping bags, body warmers, and a tube tent, shelter with cord. A basic first aid kit. And then of course, tools for protection and signaling. A whistle with compass, mirror, and fire starter. You've got a Swiss style pocket knife. 2 of the really well packed hygiene kits that are actually really nice. And then of course you've got light with an emergency candle that can also be used to start fires in bad conditions. You've got a dynamo flashlight, no batteries needed. Then a light stick, 12 hours, one of the best nighttime signals you can have, and an AM/FM radio, which I just love the size of. That'll keep you connected in the tall grass. I love the survival playing cards because they have a ton of really good first aid and survival information on them. There's other things like true leather palmed gloves, protection glasses, and it even has its own signaling devices. WeathervaneSurvivalSupplies.com. They have a variety of kits. This one is 72 hours of life-saving gear for 2 people. When you follow the link below and get 30% off, that's about $1 an hour. What's your life worth?